with clean hospitals, we will all be at Interclean Amsterdam. Why? Because it's a unique setting, because it's a unique opportunity to have all these companies together sharing with us the best tools, the best strategy, the best equipment in order to maintain our hospital clean. And this year, we will of course speak about coronavirus. Why? Because coronavirus is on the lips of everyone, in the mouth of everyone, and sometimes even in the brain and the heart of everyone, considering this giant pandemic. At the Healthcare Cleaning Forum, we will have an entire symposium with all the discussion about the burden of disease, about the horizontality of the clean hospitals, about the control of the quality, about these major problems with these outbreaks, and also a large Q&A session on coronavirus and how to deal with this coronavirus situation in the hospitals as well as in the community. So welcome to all of you to Interclean Amsterdam